Human Anatomy Atlas 2026 is a powerful 3D learning app designed for students, medical professionals, and anyone curious about how the human body works. Instead of flipping through flat textbook pages, you can rotate full 3D models of the body. Now, this includes muscles, bones, organs, and even micro anatomy like alveoli and nephrons. Both male and female body models are included, and everything is clearly labeled, which makes it easy to understand how different parts connect. One of the best features is how interactive it is. You can zoom in, peel back layers, and even dissect the body on screen in an augmented reality. There are quizzes to test your knowledge, and you can make your own labeled presentations for study or teaching. If you like hands-on learning, this app keeps you engaged instead of just reading or watching passively. Now, the app also supports multiple study levels, so if you're just starting out, you can explore by tapping different areas. If you're more advanced, you can view attach points, innovations, and even blood supply for muscles. It's useful not only for anatomy students, but also for doctors who want to explain conditions to patients more visually. Now, there are a few things to keep in mind though. So while the app is a one-time purchase, some extra content like advanced physiology, animations, or dental modules costs more. Also, because the models are highly quality, older or slower devices might lag a bit when loading bigger structures. And although many users praise it, some wish there were more language options. For example, Brazilian Portuguese has been requested by a few medical students. Now, the Human Anatomy Atlas is one of the best visual learning tools available on mobile. It's ideal for anyone who wants to learn better from exploring rather than memorizing. If you're a student, educator, or healthcare professional, it's absolutely worth the investment. Just be sure your device can handle the 3D graphics.